Hey guys, Kiran from Tech Gadget now. So today we are going to unbox the Resonate router UPS. It is really handy if you have frequent power cuts at your home. You can just connect it to the router and the router always remains on for more than 4 hours. So let's unbox it today. So this is the box comes. So while opening the box you can see the cable. This can be used to connect one part to the UPS and one to the router itself, and then the UPS is here. Let's keep the box aside. So let me give a physical overview of the UPS. So at the left side we have on off switch. So there are two options here. So you can keep the UPS on so that while power cut the router will get supply from the UPS and it will remain on, or if you keep it off, the router will get direct supply from the power source. At the top we can see two ports. So one is out and one is in. So at the in port we need to connect the input from the power brick of the router, and out we need to connect this cable. So this cable is marked in different color at the end. So you need to connect that part there and the other part to the router itself. Other than that there is nothing. So let me tell you the rating of it. So it is 12 volts and 2000 milliamps as input and 12 volts and 2000 milliamps as output. So this is really handy device if you want to have a constant internet connection at your home and you have frequent power cuts, then this will come really handy. So let me now give you a demo of the same. So we have the power point here and we have the brick for connecting the router. This is a power brick. So you need a router here. So this is the Netgear router that I have. So what you need to do is you need to use this cable to connect it to the router. You need to find the router in point and connect it here, and now you can see the router is off for now. And if you turn the UPS on, in case if it is having power, the light will glow in green and you can see the router is on now. You can see the light here, see it's blinking. And if you turn the UPS off, the lights goes off. Now if you want to charge the UPS, you need to connect the output of the brick to the output of the. So if you want to charge the UPS, you need to connect the output of the brick to the input of the UPS, and you can connect the brick to the power source. So I am connecting the power source. Now the UPS will be charging, and if you turn it on mode, now the UPS will supply power to the router, and in case the power goes off, I am turning off the supply now, still the router is on. So you can see that the UPS is supplying power. So you can get around 4 hours of backup. So this is an excellent feature of this UPS. You can find the links in description below. You can go there and buy it.